It's Supreme CarWorld here again, and I have this 2009 Lexus RX350 available for sale in Supreme CarWorld's Benin City office. Now, what's unique about this one is that it has the 2GR engine, which is in the Venza and all of that. It's also in the Highlander. We have a nice, beautiful panoramic roof. As you can see, look at this beautiful black interior. So it's black on black. Comes with power boot. I love this chrome door handles. Look at these rims. Very beautiful on this car. It's got a very nice, simple tint. Very good looking car. Just rush to Supreme CarWorld's office in Benin City and make a purchase of this vehicle very quickly. Just needs a few zeros from your bank account and we're good to go. Can handle everything for you, registration and all that. Let's go.